All right, everybody, it's about that time. It's dark out, means time to go play. Head out for a nice little night on the town. Oh boy. Okay, now fastest car here. Whoa! There he is. Bang! Uh-oh. Everybody's getting ready for the Mustang. Uh-oh.
Did you see
Uh-oh, what happened?
That's what I call teamwork right there.
That's good teamwork. There's some serious rubber lay down here tonight. It's getting wild. I can't believe they're putting oil down right now.
I don't think it goes. This thing's gonna blow up.
Oh yeah.
Go-go juice! We got that go-go juice for y'all! Oh, man, that's it! Alright, do it right there then!
Uh-oh. Oh, broke it. Broke it. Look at this. It's sticky. Squiggly. So 2 cops came through, and I guess everyone. The cops didn't say anything. Actually, one's still sitting over there. I don't know if you can see him. Right there. One state trooper came, and everybody's leaving now. Not sure where they're all going. I don't know if anybody's going to the backup spot or not. I guess I'm gonna go ask around and see. We'll find out. Cops rolling up. And he's gone. So I just talked to probably the coolest state trooper that I've ever met. He said, I don't care that you guys are here. Said, I just can't let people do burnouts and stuff like that. But people literally did a burnout right in front of him, and he just kind of like, he just stuck his head out the window and was like, and they stopped. But he never gave anybody a ticket, nothing. That was awesome. By far the coolest cop I've met at these car meets in a very, very long time. So today's video was crazy. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell everyone new to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family. And I'll see you guys next time. Dad Bod Season.